talco spray guns that we sell. It's brand new in the box. 1.3, this is going to be our sealer and our base coat gun. We're going to put on our red tintable sealer that we showed you earlier, so that's going to go down first. We've got our two coats of red base coat, and then we're going to use our 3.5 high solids, 3.5 VOC high solids Elegance clear coat, and we're going to put two coats of clear on that. Just got done sealing the car, just got the gun cleaned up, and in that time, we just mixed our 2 quarts of red base coat that we're going to use to paint the car. Ready to go back in the booth, basically wet on wet. As soon as you're done cleaning your gun and mixing your paint, we're ready to go. So we're heading back. You can see that we're filming it. You can see the car in there. This is 1 coat of our high coverage red sealer. You can see it matches, it gets really good coverage. We're going to get started.